Hey, Benji Kaiser here with an episode of Photoshop Tutorials. I just spent a ton of time looking at how to mask out hair, how to crop out hair, and they had a lot of really good tutorials. But for the situation I was running into, it wasn't working. I couldn't get it. And let me show you what I'm working with here. I have this card we're working on for a promotional material, and I'm wanting to refine this hair, and Photoshop just can't figure it out. And the reason being is the background that we're on is just very intertwined, and it just looks really bad. So let's jump over to Photoshop, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing to fix this, and I hope it helps you on how to mask out hair in a unorthodox way. We'll just say that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a background layer here. I'm going to add a green background layer to get close to what I was using, or close to what I was looking at on my image. And so as you see, I even have some stuff I need to clean up right here, which I'll deal with that later. But what I'm going to do, and I love this tool, I'm going to add a clone stamping, it's right here, to this hair. And I'm going to bring in some of this color up to the tips of his hair to remove this color. And you do that by holding the Option key and then regular click, and then I just kind of drag up. So I'll just kind of Option, drag up. And every time you see this target, I'm reapplying the Option. So kind of move that there. And what this is doing is this is just helping me get this nice dark hair tones from down, lower in the hair, and move them up into the highlights of the hair, because I really want to get rid of that. So we'll just keep working through this here, and I'm just going to move these darks up. All right, so as you see, I'm going to work through this. I'm going to come back in a few moments. I'm going to show you the end results, and once it's actually on the design as well. So just hang tight, and we'll drop over there. All right, so there we go. That's what I was able to mask and kind of clean up a little bit with the clone tool. Let's save this real quick. I'm going to do a save as so we can kind of check out the difference. We'll save this as number 2. We're going to go back over to InDesign, and we're just going to relink this with our number 2. And that is worlds better. I'm wanting to get a little bit more spike in here. I'm not fully satisfied with it. It's very hard edged, but that's getting us closer. And if you have a solution that's better than what I've done, if you have any tips, throw those down in the comment section below. Even just show me some different videos that you have seen on YouTube or different tutorial series that you think could help even me. So really, this is a chance to help me out. So I would love to see what different videos are out there to get me helped on this problem. It's funny, every day, graphic design is a continual practitioner. I run into problems every single day, and right now, this is my problem. So please subscribe here to stay up to date on tutorials where I do show you fantastic solutions and different tricks in the graphic design and creative field. For now, I'm Benji Kaiser at benjikaiser.com, and we'll see you here on the next episode. Thank you so much.